Alright folks, today I'll be working on replacing the spark plug wires and the spark plugs themselves. I've been experiencing some rough idle, lack of acceleration, so when I try to press on the gas, it ain't going. I'm losing power, and it wasn't like that before. So it's been something I've been wanting to do, and I'm gonna get around to doing it finally. Alright, so here we are. The spark plugs are down there, and this is a 4.0 Ford Ranger 2001, and here we have the coil pack or something like that. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. It's weird. Not sure why they did it that way, but that's what it is. And then down here, you'll see the spark plugs. So there's one there. That's pretty easy to get to. So we have 1, 2, 3. Let me do this. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So 4, 5, 6 look pretty easy to get to. Just an extension, socket, bada bing, bada boom. Now the other side, the passenger side. So one doesn't look too bad. It's there. Number 2, it's back there. I'm not sure you can see it in the camera, but it's back there. And then number 3 is all the way back there, buried far down there somewhere. And I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna want to struggle with sticking my hand in there with the extension, the ratchet. It's probably gonna be a big headache. So I believe I will be removing this tire to get some better access in there. I've seen some videos online or forums or to get to number 3, and maybe even 4. I mean number 2. You have to remove that tire to make it easier, right? So I'll probably do that. And here are the new spark plugs. Picked them up at AutoZone, of course. The wires. These are like 32 bucks. All the spark plugs as well, about 32 bucks as well. So let's see if I can find the gapping information for the spark plugs. You want to make sure you gap them before you install them, guys. Oh, there it is. Right there. So spark plug gap 0.062-0.068. Alright, cool. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we have spark plug number 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, number 4. I've already gone ahead and removed that one. Here it is. Old junk. I should have replaced this 2-3 years ago when I first got the truck, but I didn't. And doing it now. Already I used it just like this to remove it. I was able to maneuver my way in there. It's pretty easy. Pretty sure the whole driver's side is going to be easy. The passenger side, that one's going to be a little more tricky. We'll deal with that in a bit. But I've already added the new spark plug into the socket. I've added some anti-seize to the threads. And like I said, I did go ahead and gap it at 65 already. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the sucker in there. And yeah. Alright, so I'm using the extension with the socket and the spark plug. I've inserted it in. All I'm doing now is just hand tightening it. Once it's a little hand tight, I will then use my longer extension. There we go. So I was using this one just to get it going. I'm going to go ahead and use this one here, connect it to the end. Alright, and then grab my, there it is, my ratchet, and connect it to the end. Just want to keep it as straight as possible to the spark plug itself. think we got it out now. God, what is up with the engineers on this truck? There it is. I did it. Man, this thing is ugly. Alright, well I'm gonna go gap a spark plug, one of the new ones, and put this one in. Alright, so I am now removing spark plug number 2. Using a very short extension along with the 5/8 spark plug socket. Should be coming out here anytime now. Come on. Oh, looks like it's out. And let's see the damage on this one. Alright, let's check it out. Oof, man. It's all burned up. So, the next one should be kind of easy. I thought that one was going to be tough, but it wasn't that bad. Alright, so the last one's there. Number 1, spark plug number 1. That one should be fairly easy, considering it's right there in the open. But, yeah, just wanted to show you guys that as well. I'm going to go ahead and get on this side and remove this. Let's get this out. Let's use this. Pop it right out. And let's see the new one. Should be this one here. Oops. Alright. Alright, so now we are removing spark plug number 1. Should it be, oh right there it is. And that one was pretty stuck in there for some reason. I almost thought I was gonna break the spark plug in there, which is what I was hoping didn't happen. But yeah, this one doesn't look too bad. Alright, this is the last one. Alright, let me put it up together. Guys, so I've gone ahead and plugged them up already. And just gotta put everything back together. Start her up. And we'll see how she does.